Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is inspired by Mexican food picadillo, or is it picadillo? So it's actually ground beef in condensed tomato soup with some veggies. And what I like about it is the flavor of cumin. It's strong and I like it like that. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So we're gonna brown 500 gram ground beef. Once it's brown, stir in or add in your garlic and onion. This was half of a large onion with 2 garlic, and stir it for 1 or 2 minutes. Steam, then add in 3 teaspoons of cumin, whole cumin, with 2 bay leaves. Sorry about the steam. Now add in dice of 5 baby potato with 2 large carrots, slice of 2 large carrots. Then we're gonna put in 1 can of condensed tomato soup, like so, followed with 2 cans of water. Then we're gonna season this with chicken bouillon powder and about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 3 teaspoons of crushed parsley, and cover with lid. And you want to cook this on low medium heat until veggies tender, and it will be ready to be served with your rice.